Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. I know you are ready to watch me cash stuff, to learn some new cash stuffing things. If you're a beginner, to learn how to cash stuff, and I got you. Stay tuned. First, we are going to go ahead and get to stuffing our cash envelope wallet. I already unstuffed it over on another one of my social media, so if you want to catch that, I will include it at the end of the video. But for now, let's go ahead and get some cash in these so we have some money to spend this week. So first things first, we're going to add $50 to our gas fund. I do need to gas up my car. I try to fill it up on half, so that should do it. For groceries, we're going to be adding $100. I'm kind of in and out of the hospital right now with a relative, so we won't be cooking much, but I'll put that in here just in case. For eating out, I'm just gonna add $40. If I do need to go over buying meals for our current situation, I will just use my credit card and pay it back with my emergency fund. But I don't want to go too off budget, budgeting for eating out. So spending, I'm just gonna be adding $5. Again, once I'm finished with this family issue, I'll just be catching up on orders. So I ain't doing no shopping. Helping Humans not getting anything because I'm not going anywhere, and Miscellaneous is not going to get anything either. So that is it for this cash envelope wallet. If you are interested in this beauty, it is available at baddiesandbudgets.com in this color and for others. Okay, next thing we're going to go ahead and do is pay bills. And remember that I am just cash stuffing 1/4 of the total amount today. No, my rent is not $250. Also, if you notice these cute new dashboards, these are also available at the shop. I have several different styles. They're now available in A6. So rent is going to get $250 today. So we're going to go 100, 250. Okay. Let's combine that with what we've already got in here. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $950, $1,000. We are right on the mark here, which is perfect. All right, next up we have utilities, which will be receiving $50 today. And someone asked how I know how much to stuff and do I just guesstimate? Yes, I do split these with someone. So 100, 150, 200. So this is an estimate of what my amount is. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. But if you know me and you follow my channel, you know I do have a bill fund. So when there is a bill that's less, we keep adding the same amount so that it will cover those months when the bill is more. Wi-Fi here is going to be receiving $20. So in here we now have $20, $40, $60, $80 in our Wi-Fi fund, which I only need about 64. I said I was going to contribute less, but I like having that little extra $10 or $12 in there, again, to cover things like the utilities when they do go over and get outrageous. So T-Mobile is going to get $10. T-Mobile now has 100, 120, 130, 140, 150, which is more than enough. If you notice, I did lower that one this week because, again, that's more than enough for our phone. Self-Lender is going to be receiving $10. So Self-Lender is a credit rebuilding app. There's a link for it in the description of this video if you're interested. It has helped me raise my score, I think, like 172 points now. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but I do have an affiliate code 10, 20, 30, 40. But if they do want to work together, I'm so open for it because I truly believe in Self-Lender, especially when you're trying to rebuild your credit and you can't get approved for cards. You don't have enough trade lines to like rebuild your credit. They are awesome. Okay, streaming is going to be receiving $20. I'm thinking about getting YouTube TV, y'all. 20, 40, 60, 80. I pay for so many different streaming services at this point. It's like, sometimes I feel like I should just go back to one big bill. Storage is going to be receiving $60. It's probably one of my larger expenses. 50, 60. So 100, 150, 200, 220, 230, 240. So $240. So that will cover our storage bill for the month. Yearly subscriptions will be receiving $5. Okay. So in here we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 610, 615. So we have $615 in here now. And I believe towards the end of this month, I am going to start going ahead. I know over Black Friday, they'll have some deals, but going ahead and getting like my Prime for the year, Canva for the year, and a few other subscription services that I have. I already did DoorDash, child. And then credit card is rollover from my cash envelopes, but I actually didn't have any this week, so that's all good. Let's go with household first. Household is going to be receiving $50. Let's try to do it with 20s. So 2 20s and a 10. Let's hope it works out for household. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130. So we have $130 in here. I was planning to buy some things for the house this week, but you know, some stuff has come up, so hopefully next week I can get that done. 6 months expenses is going to be receiving $30. So we're gonna grab a 20. 6 months insurance is supposed to get $30. I hope I picked up a 20. I don't feel like I did. So in here we now have 50, 70, 90, 110, $120. Let's hope, dear Lord, that I did it right. If not, I'm sure I'll catch it in editing, and I'll put some words on the screen to tell y'all what it was. So car insurance is going to be receiving $40. So let's see what we've got in here. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 1,120, 40, 60, 80, 1,200, 1,220, 1,240, 1,245. So we have $1,245 in our car insurance fund. This one I don't replace for a 1K slip because, like I said, we pay it every 6 months, and I just prefer to have it cash to give to my dad because I am on his plan. And so that is all for our high priority binder. Up next here, we are going to work through our low priority funds. And the first one we want to hit is online shopping. And we are going to give that one $20. The holidays are coming up. And so, you know, online shopping now has 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 650, 670, 690, 710, 730, 740, 750, $755 in online shopping. I'll use this in conjunction with my Christmas fund to get some things on Black Friday. Travel is going to receive $20. Okay, and I probably will cash this one out for a 1K slip when I do my bill exchange. So we have $1,000 in the bank. Lord, I can't count. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 770, 790, 810, 830, 850, 870, 890, 910, 920, 930, 940, 945. So $2,945 in travel. I haven't been anywhere all year. I keep saying I'm gonna go do, and then, you know, stuff comes up. So our emergency fund is the last one we're going to hit in low priority today. I'm gonna try to always at least add $25 here. So today, that is what it will be receiving. I had to go back to the drawing board. I had left a freaking $50 bill on the bed. Pray for me. Okay, so for in our emergency fund, what did I say? We're gonna be adding 25. Did I already put the 20 in here, yo? What did I have in here last week? 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85. So no, I didn't. So we're gonna be adding 25 to emergency fund today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 525. which is pretty good. Our first goal is obviously $1,000. This is for just like home emergencies. I found that I need a home emergency fund, so I'm gonna try to build this one up. All right, so that's all for our low priority funds here. And very last, we are going to work on savings challenges, and I'm just going to be contributing to 2 of them today. And so the first one I'm going to go ahead and do is my 52-week challenge. And to that one, I'm going to be adding $145 today. So I'm gonna color in this $145 block. I can't believe I'm almost done with this. This one has been going all year, slowly, but you know, steadily. So there's 1, 20, 45. I actually don't count this one. I just try to exchange it out every $1,000 for a 1K slip. So the last one we're gonna do here is our October challenge. This will be our last week contributing to this one. I kind of had to make my budget stretch to reach my goal here. I wanted to save $950 in this challenge, so that makes each bat worth 50 bucks. So today we're adding 200. Okay, so we colored in 4 bats for today. We're gonna be adding $200 to this challenge. So our total in here is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 50. I did indeed reach my goal, which is awesome. Thanks to a little local side hustle I did, because it was struggling there for a little bit, y'all. So we have $950 for this month. This is probably the biggest month. November definitely is not gonna be it is not gonna be this good. Work is gonna be busy. I will not have time to do side hustle, so we'll see what November does. But October is in the bag, and now it is time for our November savings challenge. If you've been following me with these, have you been able to do one every month? Even if you can't complete the challenge and you get something, it's gonna be so cool to get to the end of the year and be able to unstuff these and see how much we were able to save all year long. Can't wait to do it. So that's it for this budget. This is closing out the month of October. Tomorrow I'm going to come and shoot my first, because it's technically November right now, my monthly November budget, as well as my first cash stuffing for the month of November, as well as a few videos answering some more frequently asked questions. I'm going to try to get all of that out this week. Y'all make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. If you love my content, make sure that you give these videos a like. That really helps. As well as being subscribed to my email list and following me over on Instagram. At the end of this week, we're going to start dropping Black Friday content. And so if you're interested in getting in on any of those sales, which has very limited quantities, make sure that you're following me over on Instagram. I'm going to put all my info here at the end. As always, you guys have a really great week. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your